do the questions, that is the thing. You see the questions in the question paper, you see everything is we have done all the school done, now. And that even you are making mistake means something you have to do it. So last class you were there. He is only work on today. What practice you are doing? Maths you are doing? What maths you are doing? Total. Now after that you did anything? These 2 days, today Saturday, no? Friday and Saturday today. Today holiday.
Sir, I did today at 12 o'clock. Came here for extra lecture.
Then you came over here. Ajay, it was offline.
And then before that, I was also doing circles in surface area side by side. I'm doing.
So what was the extra lecture? Which topic?
Circles.
Last lecture you were not there.
I was there in the start, but after that my exam was on.
And this girl, you had the circle problem. You have solved our 1/3 exercise. When are you going to do it?
Sir,
compulsory, there will be a question will be there. If it is coming, it will be for 3 or 4 marks.
Sir, in circles, which theorems are the most important?
The theorem angle at the center, double the remaining part.
That is like to prove.
That is generally to prove, but I don't know. It's a big theorem. Your school teacher, what they said? Teacher said anything?
She told that the first angle subtended from the
center.
That one she said, I remember. I don't remember.
That mainly that is a theorem comes in the exam. If come for that is a 4 to 5 marks. Please. Yeah. All other theorems are not that too difficult. Others congruence and all. Explained all the things. You should know when the theorems comes to prove. And you ask the teacher which are the theorems you study. School to school varies. Okay. Yeah. In the textbook NCRT, I think that is only one theorem is there. Proof. Your any studies going on? Around formula is going on. You are practicing. That is there in the exam. Do you do any practice? Why? Not required. Formula already no. You are doing the last which exercise?
Sir, 11, question 7 and 8, 9.
7, 8, 9 is done, I think.
No, 9 is not done. 7, 9, 9, 10.
7, 8, and 10. 7, 8, and 10. Okay.
Any questions? Yes, Abu. एक क्वेश्चन ये आएंगे थ्योरी.
Yeah. Volume and surface. Say this is regarding the cone, no? All of you know the formula of the cone. Yes. What is the cone formula? Volume. Volume of the cone.
1/3 pi r square.
1/3 pi r square. CSA.
Pi
RL. TS.
I remember the CSA, but I'm not remembering volume and.
Volume is, look here, you study the volumes together. Cube, cuboid, like that you study. Cube, LBH, cuboid, a cube. Cylinder, pi r square h. Cone, 1/3 pi r square h. Sphere, 4/3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, 2/3 pi r cube. Hollow means outer minus inner. Like that means only you have to, that way you can remember. Okay. It's only read, regularly you have to read. Question number, which one?
What should I practice for circles? Because circles is a chapter which requires construction.
Construction, first you take your NCRT. NCRT and take all the questions and solve it. That you should know anytime. That is 100% compulsory. All the questions of the NCRT. Whether there are some solved examples also is there, anytime. That means whether exam is there or no exams. Okay, even if exam is there, no exam is there, you should know always the NCERT question. One girl said third exercise since I am hearing from long time, my dear. Oh, real. That you should not give that much delay. Okay, once or two, 1 or 2 days, no. Beyond that, it should not be. Then you have to come out. If you what happens, if that much, you keep, later you will forget lot of things, and it will be doubts will be accumulated. Scale, I think. Scale. Now I cut now. Your scale is, you, yes. Read the question number. Which one?
7.
7. Okay. Read the 7th question. This man. And then.
A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm, and 3 cm is
512.
13, sorry. Reward about
Right triangle. Look here. There are certain more things revolving again. Right triangle. Examples of certain right triangles you should know. 3, 4,
5.
5. 5, 12,
13.
13. Yes or no? 15.
What still?
15.
15 what?
15 with right Pythagorean triplets, you know what is the meaning? Did I tell you 3, 4, 5? 5, 12, 13. 3, 4, 5 means all the multiples of 3, 4, 5 will satisfy. Are you followed what are all the multiples of 5? Into 2. Everything into 2 do, or everything into 3 you do. Okay, into 4 you do, into 5 you do, all will satisfy. Okay? No, not followed. 3, 4, 5. Everything multiply by 3. 9. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. 9, 12, 15. Understood or not? Or into 4 you do, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. That also Pythagorean difference. Okay? Are you followed? 15 and 7, 225 plus, 15, 8 and 17. 15 is how much? 15 square 225. 6, 8. 8 square is equal to 64. So it is starting, it is 289, 17. And the next thing is you should know the squares of till the squares till 30. Why these all things? If you know means calculation will be sometimes it will be very easy. Cube.
Calculating it right then is better.
Huh?
Calculating right then and there.
Right then and right means square root finding. Suppose if you don't know, so 529. Square root of 529. How will you calculate? Square root of 529. Can you factorize and show me? It is 23 square. 23 is a prime number. So it will be take log. Otherwise, the square root division method you should know. Okay? Chalo. Alright. So here, I made a triangle, right triangle. One side is 5, second side is 12, and this side is 13. Okay? This is revolved about first one.
Reward about side 12 cm.
Side 12 cm. See, what is the meaning of revolved about side 12 cm? Fix this 12 cm and rotate fast. Are you following? You will fix this way and rotate it fast. When you rotate it fast, what will come? A cone will come. Imagine you can cone. And this is fixed. That will come as the height of the cone. This will come as the base circle is come base radius. And this is coming as the slant height. That much is clear? Then your work is done. Yes or no? Rotate about the 12 centimeter means height is equal to 12 centimeter, radius is equal to how much? 5 centimeter, slant height is equal to 13 centimeter. What that part is done now. Okay. Then what you have to find out? Find the
volume.
Find the volume.
So right when the right.
How to determine which one is the base and which
See, look here now. Rotate about which one?
So that, but that we consider.
Rotate. This is a fix now. Consider means given in the question now. Rotate about. Read the question number. Question number which one? 7. It is rotate about 12 centimeter. Means 12 centimeter. Here making an axis and fix done. It is rotating this way. Are we followed? Okay. So therefore now next is so understood or not? Therefore when the right triangle is rotated about 12 centimeter. right triangle is rotated about 12 centimeter. A cone is formed
Rotated.
about 12 centimeter. Cone is formed with dimensions. Cone is formed with dimensions. H is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. R is equal to return. H is equal to 12 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter. And L is equal to 13 centimeter. L is equal to 13 centimeter. Written H 12, R 5, L 13. Then volume is equal to, formula all of you know now.
Yes.
What is the volume? Pi r square h. Right. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. All of you substitute and solve it. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Check in the question, pi is given. No.
Sir, should we 22.7?
Yes, 25 is the question beginning, it's written now. Pi is 22 by 7. Otherwise, specifically, they will give.
There is no cutting.
Then you have to multiply.
Sir, there is. There.
3 you can cancel
कट
out.
करेंगे ना अच्छा हाँ
Cancel the 3.
It's same 0.7
2 to 0. Then make into 2 place of decimal. Two 2's 00 upon 7. All of you got now.
Yes.
Divide 3 places and round it to 2 places.
सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ना
Huh?
क्यूब आता है ना
Centimeter cube. You can run. 3 place of decimal you have to find and round.
Sir, you said 2
3 third one and round.
314.285.
285, that is 29.
Sir, I know 2 you said 2 spaces
3 places and round to 2 places. 2's are what? 7 means
what
2.
line is 2 spaces
314.285. That is equal to 29 centimeter cube. Okay. 3 1 division you done. What did you get? 285. So round to 2 place means what? More, you know, rounding rule. So what will you get? 29. 314.29 centimeter cube. Okay. Next question number 8. Real.
The triangle ABC in the question 7 above is revolved around the side 5 centimeter. Then find the volume of the solids to obtain. Find also the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in questions 7 and 8.
So volume of the 7 divided by volume of the 8. Ratio means what? Volume of 7 divided by volume of 8. So then first one is the opposite now. It is revolved about 5 centimeter.
Yes.
When you revolve about 5 centimeter, means this way it's revolving now. Then height will be 5, radius equal to 12. So right, when revolved about 5 centimeter, revolved about 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
The dimensions of the cone are H is equal to 5 centimeter, R is equal to 12 centimeter, L is equal to 13 centimeter. H 5, R 12, L 13. Again find volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Calculate. Cancellation 2. Again you will see divisions will come. Multiplication done.
Yes.
12 into, so 36 into 5. No?
5280 upon 7.
Is it so?
5280.
5280 upon 7. 7 we are not divide now.
Hmm.
Divide. 5280 upon 7. All of you got 5280 upon 7. Divide. 3 places.
Sir, 754.9.
Wait now. Wait. Now after say return, let's say second part also. Got it now? 75.28529.
So we divide the first one by the second one.
Ratio of 7 and 8. So ratio of 7 and 8 means volume of 7 by volume of 8. 754.289 you got now centimeter cube. All of you got? Okay. Ratio of the first one and second one. 754.29 you got now centimeter. Now the ratio answer of 7 by answer of 8. Now stop. Listen. Wait. You wait. Now you use your brain and do it. You have to find the ratio means divide. Ratio of the volume of the 7 and what? Ratio means divide. Divide. Use your brain. Let's see who's using brain.
The answer is change.
Don't open your mouth. I'll give 1 minute. It's in fact it's 30 seconds only required. Otherwise 5 minutes. Let's see. Don't look at each other. Think yourself. Stop. No. Stop. You. No. Look here. That is why I said no. Use your brain.
29, 29,
I'm using my brain.
29 how you got it?
मतलब
So that means 3.29 upon 5.29. So 29 and 29 got decimal and decimal 3 by 5. You were listen.
3.4 और
Not that one. Look here. Listen. That is why I said you don't do it. Stop again. You have to cancel. What was the watch? Listen. What was the volume of the first one? 1 by 3 pi into R was how much? 5, no?
yes
5 into 5 into 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
What was the volume of the second one? 1 by 3 pi into
12
12 into 12 into 5. Anyone use your brain? No.
No.
No. No. No. No. No.
5 upon 12.
Answer is that is why I said use your brain.
Sir,
Five.
I use partly. Okay, I'm trying this.
So look here. If you are going to divide the answer, you will not get. At least you could have done fraction that this one. First one 2200 by 7 upon 5287. That even you could have got the answer.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Then 7 and 7 cancelled. But that also long way, na? This one it's very easy, no? Put the values, cut everything, no? That's why you think and do it. Okay, don't do that because if you are going to do ratio means it will not return. It will take another 10 minutes to you and answer up because see what was your answer 314.29 and 528.29 decimal euro. Then it is a how many digit number 5 digit number by 5 digit number. It will not cancel only. Understood?
Yes, I got it.
So 5:12. That's why when you do means little thing you do it so that you will be able to do. That is why we do thing. That is why maths when doing calculate. Arey, how did I get so calculate? Chalo, anyway done. 5:12. Aji you divide it. Done. So done now.
Question 10.
Question number 10. One more I have to explain. Okay. Acha, read. Sarisha, read the
A
question.
semicircular thin sheet of aluminum of diameter 28 centimeter is bent to make an open conical cup. Find the capacity of the cup.
Have you followed?
Yes.
What is made? Aluminium sheet is in the shape of what?
Cone.
What's the aluminium sheet is in the shape of
Cup.
semicircle. Semicircle. It's made, folded, and made into a cone. Yes or no? Look here, I'll explain. Okay. Do you know what is by capacity?
Yes.
Fold it. Okay, so I'll make this. Let's take a little explanation. Let's see. This also, I think it is there in the textbook. I think.
Yes, yes.
Listen. What is semicircle? Yes or no? This is a semicircle. What is semicircle radius? Diameter or radius? What is given? Diameter 28 means radius is 6. So diameter means this is 28 means radius equal to 40. Now look here carefully. Examination you have to this you have to imagine. You cannot take the paper and cut and see. So I am going to make it into a conical cup. Corners come. Corners come.
Sir,
Okay, wait. You have come once again. I'll show. You have to tell me what is it. Those who know raise a hand. Once again. Look. This is the radius. This is the radius. So total is 28. Radius is 400, and you got it. You get two relations.
Sir,
You get two relations. How many relations you got? One.
I got one, sir.
1, 1, 2. Anyone got 1, 2?
What is relation?
That I will tell you. Some relationship between these two chord and the
There is one relation.
sun. Huh? What is your got?
The slant height will be 14.
Slant height is equal to the radius. That all of you got. Something else also is there. That let's see. I'll show once again. Look. This is made.
The circumference will act as
Circumference of the cone is equal to the circumference of the
Semicircle.
semicircle. In this 2 pi r is equal to pi r of the. Are you followed? This is 2 pi r, no? That is r is different. 2 pi small r is equal to pi capital R. Are you followed? Not. Are you following or not? See when it is bending. Have you followed how it is slanted? See, this was the radius now. When it is coming, this one, this will come as the slant height. Okay. Second one, this become to a circle now. That circumference is equal to the circumference of the semicircle. Clear or not? Okay. So right for the semicircle. For the semicircle.
should we make it?
For the
Needed
semicircle.
again. For the semicircle. Capital R is equal to
R is equal to
14 centimeter.
Hmm.
Okay, 14 centimeter.
Capital R.
Yeah, because other R is coming now. Capital R is equal to 14 centimeter. Then right. When the semicircle is bent to a cone, when the semicircle is bent to a cone,
Is there?
bent to a cone. Okay. Slant height of the cone is equal to radius of semicircle. Slant height of cone.
So can I tell is equal to R?
So that is the yes, slant height at least right. SL slant height. Short form, slant height is equal to capital R of slant height of cone is equal to capital R of semicircle. That is L is equal to 14 centimeter. Second one, circumference of circumference of cone is equal to circumference of semicircle. That is 2 pi small r is equal to pi capital R. Are you followed or not? For the circle cone circumference is 2 pi r. Semicircle circumference is pi r. What you can cancel?
Pi.
Pi is cancelled. Therefore, small r is equal to capital R divided by 2, 7 centimeter. So you got two things. What are the two things you got? L you got and R you got. So to capacity means what you need to get? What capacity means what you get? Volume. What happened? Circumference of the cone. Are you followed? That circle is equal to circumference of semicircle. What is circumference of the cone? 2 pi r is equal to circumference of the semicircle. So pi and pi is cancelled now. So 2r is equal to capital R. That is 2 small r is equal to capital R. R is small r is equal to capital. Cross multiply. Okay now. Now what do you need?
Height.
Height. How do you get height?
Or L square is equal to
So use it now. L square is equal to r square plus h square. So replace 14 square is equal to 7 square plus h square. Therefore h square. What will I get? Shift this to here. 14 square minus 7 square. If you need to use identity, you can use identity. What is identity? 14 minus 7 into 14 plus 7. Huh? How whole square?
Sorry.
That is equal to 7 into 21. Therefore, h is equal to root. No, don't multiply. Factorize no square root. 7 into 3. 7 root 3. Okay. Therefore, volume is equal. Volume equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square. Oh, you have to write this on capacity 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square is how much? R is 7. 7 into 7 root 3. 1 7 is cancelled. 22 into 49. Right. Huh?
So is equal to 1.
Answer is 1. You get the answer. Is it 1?
No, sir, I thought why did you write 1?
Multiply now. 22 into 49 is how much? 19 into 11. Hmm? 22 into 49, this much you have to multiply. And you can again 1078 root 3 na, by 3. 1078 root 3 upon 3 centimeter cube. Okay, value of root 3 is given, substitute, then divide, otherwise keep the answer with this one. Can you cancel root 3 and 3? No. Right? Can you cancel root 3?
Root 1.
Chapter is getting good. 9th standard is over. Root 1, very nice. 9th standard is getting over. What is root 3 upon 3? Sir, I got 70 marks. I got 74 marks. I got 64 marks. What is root 3 upon 3?
1.
1. Okay, good. 1 people.
1.73.
Very good. What is 3 upon 3 by the way?
1.
What is root 3 upon 3?
Root 1 by
Uh,
what?
uh, Array 3 is same as root 3 into root 3 or what? What is root 3 into root 3?
3.
So 1 root 3 is cancelled means what is left out?
Root 3. So what is left out?
Sir, why can't we just take 1.73?
1.73 is the answer.
Huh?
Root 3 for
What did I ask you? When you cancel, what is the answer you get? What is 1 upon root 3? Did you tell? In this case, don't cancel. Why? Then you rationalize. No denominator, we don't put the root 3. But you should know how to do this one. Okay. So root 3 is same as root 3 into root 3. Okay. Oh. Okay. Think and do it. Okay. Some thinking because you have to think, root 3 and 3, what relation? Is there any relation? We know root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. And you think these are not that you have to use a lot of brain. Think that these are simple ones. Sure, followed this one? Sure. All of you followed? Sure or not?
Yes.
Okay. So right question. Let me give one small question. Answer will be big or small, let's see. A semicircular.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. All of you close the volume. Close the volume. With the volume. Close the volume and then wait. What happened? Acha pen. Oh. Very difficult answer. It's not there. Simply yes. Yes, sir. Close the volume, my dear. Nothing to. Huh? Where one question? Which question? Take the pen and write the where. Then how you are going to write? A semicircular sheet. Circular sheet of diameter.
Sir, wait. Shape or diameter. Wait. Shape.
What is it? Semicircular sheet of diameter 42 centimeter is bent to form. Bent to form a conical cup. Conical cup. Same con or made to form a cone or conical cup. Same thing now. Obtain the CSA. Obtain the CSA of the cone. Don't close your mouth. Try to use it and use it. I have
What's the
explained
formula?
what is CSA of the cone. CSA of the cone, you know how many of you know CSA of the cone? Only one.
Why
You asked and you will use. Aditi knows? Yeah.
Sir, statement required.
You calculate, not much calculate, simple calculations to it.
Sir, can you directly solve?
You directly solve and get solved. You got it?
Sir, got. Sir, got.
The CSA.
Yes. Done.
Hello, my friend. Oh, got it.
So circumference of cone is 2 pi r or circumference of semicircle is 2 pi r.
Circumference of the cone is 2 pi r. Cone is what? Circle, na? Listen, stop all of you. All of you stop.
I got the answer.
You got the answer. Listen here. This is semicircle, na?
Yes.
Okay. That is why, you people don't use your brain. Which is bent to form into a cone, na? CSA is same as area of the semicircle only, no? Why you have to calculate
This
everything?
is very easier.
What is this? Very easy.
What is R?
Array R is equal to 21 centimeter. Now why you to find out R and L and all? Directly you have to tell, no, this is formed into this one. Therefore, CSA of the cone is equal to CSA of the semicircle. Answer is half pi r square. Why you have to write all these stories?
So pi
Half
was
into
easy.
22 by 7.
Because मेरे को तो n निकालने का एक कष्ट और
You have to write all these stories, na? Oh,
And
yeah.
R and L are same.
R and L are, array.
H तो निकाल रही है ना.
So, this is cancelled and it is coming as 11. This is 3. 33 into 21. 693 what?
Yes. 693 centimeters square.
693.
God,
Look here.
sir, I got
Oh,
it, sir.
Array, look here. This one, what R and L? This can be done in two ways. First is this CSA of the hemisphere. Sorry, this hemisphere, area of the hemisphere is equal to CSA of the cone. Hemisphere is semicircle. Do you know what is the area of the semicircle? Formula, do you know?
No.
What is the area of the do you know what is the area of the circle? What's the area of the circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Area of the semicircle is half pi r square. This is 7th or 8th year study circle.
8.
Okay, here we studied here the circle, the theorems. Okay, this is the one.
The theorem we studied in 9th.
Here we studied in 9th. Okay, so this is the one. Otherwise, you have to write all these things, these all things till here you have to write.
So I don't know.
This much, and after that you do pi RL.
I don't get
H you don't need to calculate. So two ways you can do it. One method is directly CSA of the cone is equal to area of the semicircle.
And the method we use is no methodical. That's what we mean.
Methodical.
Methodical.
I'm telling you, na.
I see. That is why I said no. These all questions to do. It is you have to think and do it. Simple thing. Okay, you have to think and use it.
One more.
Okay, understood or not? Okay, one more. Okay. Diya, one more means she's crying. Okay, Diya, right. Diya has a piece of canvas. Diya,
Sir, I will write.
right. Diya has a piece of DIYA or DIA.
DIA.
Okay, DIA.
DIA.
Piece of canvas
Piece of canvas.
whose area is 551 meters square.
Sir, repeat the question.
Piece of canvas of area
Area is
551 meters square.
meter square.
Okay, area m square meter square meter square. Okay, she uses to make a conical tent. Conical tent of radius 7 centimeter. Conical tent of radius 7 centimeter. Okay. Written. Assuming what happened, Aditi, not to look here and then laugh. Answer I need.
Sir, what is the shape of canvas?
Assuming that she wasted 1 meter square of canvas for stitches. For stitching. Okay, because stitching 1 meter square is wasted. Okay, find the volume of the tent. Find the volume of the tent.
It's so complex, sir. Right?
It is not complex. It is very simple. Use your
So
brain.
canvas is a rectangle.
Who said it is a
square,
whatever it is, their area is given now.
circle.
I circle. Nothing is given. You have nothing to do with your canvas, whether it is a rectangle, square, or the area of the canvas is. Use your brain. Let's see this. We have done conical 10 type question, at least 3 or 4. Let's see whose brain works. You don't need. I have to formula. You know it. You have CSA is there. You have volume is there. You have L square is equal to R square plus H
So
square.
tell the canvas
So you keep quiet and read and try to formulate. So let's see. Assume that 1 meter square of canvas for stitching.
So like we subtract
For stitching. Huh?
the 1 meter.
That you don't ask me what is to be done. You do it. If not getting the answer, no real don't ask. Question is given to you, na? What is there? Close that volume.
So you said you have one.
I have said close the volume. Use the volume.
Nine.
I said I will give formula if you need. Formula, you know the formula.
Sir, what is the shape of canvas?
So please.
How many are able to do? You did do
I
something?
tried, sir.
Why? How many of you? Are what you have to do with the shape of the canvas? What is the shape of the canvas? What do you need to do? Huh? Are you doing? You are doing.
Just easy.
So can you obviously?
Now at this point of time, stop and tell me, this one, Anand, what did you get? You calculated something.
L.
You calculated what?
And
L.
I'm
What did you get L?
25.
You
20.
25. You all got? Now, look here, all of you. Whatever you have nothing to do with the canvas shape. You have what canvas used to you canvas used to make what? What canvas used to make for what in this question? CSA of the tent. So CSA of the tent is called the area of the canvas. Hmm. So, but over here, 1 meter square is wasted. Therefore, CSA of the canvas is equal. Sorry, CSA of the tent is same as 551 minus 1.
550.
550. What is CSA? Pi RL. Pi RL is equal to 550. Value of R is given.
25. Given.
R is 7. So substitute.
0.07.
So what's 0.07? 7 meter now.
You have given 7 centimeters.
7 meter.
7 meter there.
You given
7 meter. Everything is in meter.
So 7 centimeters.
Everything is in
You
meter.
made us write centimeters. Sir, you don't say.
Oh, so that is why you did not do.
But I did, but you said
That is why you did not do. R is equal to 7 meters. That is the reason not done. So make it as meter. Understood or not? Therefore, CSO, right? CSA of the tent is equal to,
Sir.
right? First, oh, you remaining completed now then.
No, I was finding
then
x
we
square.
go. Then we go. Now you continue now. I said to complete now. CSA of the tent is equal to 551 minus 1. That is pi RL is equal to 550. Where R is equal to 7 meter. Pi RL is equal to 550. Written below, right, R is equal to 7 meter. Substitute 22 by 7 into 7 into L is equal to 550. Therefore, L is equal to cancel, cross multiply. 25 you got. 550 divided by 7 and 7 is cancelled. 550 divided by 22. That is equal to 25. Anna, got it? All of you. Aditi got. What did you get? So cancel and to get the answer. 11 cancel and answer is 25. Sarisha got. Now you got L, you got R. You need to find the volume. What's the formula?
1/3 pi r square.
Do you have H?
No.
So find out H. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Put the values. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Put the value. So you will get got it.
Sir,
H you getting so
Sir, I got
complicated.
I got volume.
Sarisha got H.
No, sir, I'm getting.
It's
Sir, I got H square.
Sir, I got volume.
Dia got H.
Yes, sir, got it.
You this girl Aditi got H.
I got
Wait,
it,
wait.
sir.
Huh?
I got it.
So then find out H. What is there? Array 25 square minus 7 square. How many times I asked to do A square minus B square? Did you apply? If you don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
A plus B, A minus B. How many times I had to tell to do these all things? So those who got 576, factorize. Therefore, answer is equal to H is equal to 24. Then next, volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This answer she will give, Aditi will give. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Replace. What are you looking at there? Array write and simplify. What are you doing this means?
Sir,
I know 4 people got the answer. I don't know whether Dia got. Aditi, is it so complicated cutting, painting and all going on?
Yes, sir. 22 to 56 and
So multiply get fast now. Is it so? Hello? 2, 3, hello? Yeah,
Sir, switch off AC.
AC is already off.
1, 2, 3, light is on.
Huh?
Switch off.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. What did you do? H is substituted. Aditi, what's the value of H? Sorry. Dia, what's the value of H?
24.
Then volume did you calculate it? Fast do it now. That will calculations 1 by 3, 22 by 7. R is 7 into 7 into 24. Cancellations are very simple. 7 8s are 56 into 22. One multiplication only na. So careful. This one I have given. It is a solved example given in your textbook. So think. Now what Sarisha, look here. Why if I give the shape of the canvas, then what will you do?
Yeah, if it was rectangle.
So rectangle, what will you do? Huh?
It's
So for what? So for what?
Maybe LN will be.
Is listen. What? So ln to b. If it is given rectangle, what do you do with ln to b? Do you have length? Do you have breadth? This is a rectangle is there. Okay, this is a canvas. You know this one. You go to the. Have you seen the tailoring shop and all? Boutiques and all. Now what they do? They go and get the clothes. If you wanted to, stitch one suit, they will the tailor, the boutique people will tell what you go and get. Let's say 3 meter. You get 3 meter of cloth. You know what you mean by 3 meter of cloth? You will go to the textiles. You will select the cloth and they will ask how much you need, 3 meter. What does it mean 3 meter? It has a fixed width. They will measure 3 meter and give. Fixed width maybe let's say 2 meter. So you got the given the sheet is cloth's area is what? 3 into 2, 6 meters square. So this is a rectangle. So you got 6 meter squares of cloth. So it has to be made to your cloth. What will you do? You will go to the this one. They from here they will make one by one what all pieces. They'll think I need to make the hand. So what is the shape? They will cut it and remove it. They need pull the body part. What all needed? How many pieces they'll cut and do. The remaining part is wasted. They will not use the complete. No, for some here some part. See when I made this one, a rectangle and a semicircle. The remaining part, sorry, triangle and a semicircle wasted like that. Okay, so that is why it's a stitching the waist is called. Understood? So the area this one, the shape of this one is immaterial. Shape is required for suppose if the width is given, what is the length? Like the shape is important. Clear? So you have to think when it is area is given, canvas is made for what? Canvas is in this case it is canvas is made for the CSA of the tent. Therefore CSA is equal to area of the canvas. But you cannot use 551. Why? 1 meter square is wasted for stitching. So CSA is equal to balance 550. Somewhere it will given some 10 percentage, like that percentages will given. So accordingly you have to do.
So
I followed the questions.
for statistics we needed graph, right?
Yes, graph is.
I was about to bring to you.
So listen, are we followed all of you? Everyone. So this exercise 11.3, we have completed all the questions.
Yes.
Okay. Now, only there are. Acha, by the way, look here. I forgot to before that. I don't need to. So this one I rotated this way. Rotated this way. Okay, fixing this side and rotated. I fix this side and rotated too. Suppose if I fix this one and rotate it.
Huh? So like
I
this,
fix
right?
this side and fix. Imagine that is fixed and rotated. This is fixed and
That is
rotated.
high.
Array, what will form?
Base.
I imagine what will be.
Kite.
The kite is
Oh,
formed.
it's like this, right?
Array, it is coming. Look here now. This is. You imagine this one is got rotating this way. What will come?
Conical.
Is it conical is coming?
Okay, that.
There are two cones will come. Double cone we say. One side one cone will come. Other side other cone will come. If it is this way means it is rotated. If it is rotating this way, see it is moving this way. Okay, another one. Are you followed or not? Look, if I rotate this way, a double cone is coming. That you don't have now because there are certain properties that you study in the 10th standard. Double cone find the volume because the height, this will be the height, that calculation will be. This will be the, sorry, this is the radius. Two cones out of the radius will come, this radius. Height will be the total length. Two cones, height of one cone, height of that all parts you study in the 10th standard. Now, look here. If I fix this one, imagine if this side is fixed. Imagine if I rotate this way. What will come? Cylinder will come. So if the cylinder means, what are the things are there?
Height.
This is height and this is
Radius.
Yes.
Are we followed? Okay. Suppose if I take one bangle and I rotate it, what will come?
Sphere.
A sphere will come. The radius will
Radius.
remain the same as the radius of the circle.
Hmm.
Understood? So some little imaginations you need to do. Okay now, this one. So these are the conical one, cylindrical one, and all the case it is coming here. So the next is coming. The next part is exercise 11.4, volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere already we have discussed now. 10.4 is there now. We are not done now.
Oh.
Okay. Volume of the sphere. Hey, hello. Volume of the sphere. You remember what is the volume of the sphere? What is the volume of the sphere?
2 by
4 by 3. 2 by 3 is half. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Huh?
We did.
What surface area of the sphere did you do? 4 pi r square and all. There is a relation. You remember the moon and earth. Okay. Listen. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. What do you mean by hemisphere? Half of the sphere. Do you know what is the volume of the hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Hollow sphere means spherical shell. These three formula, right? Right. Volume of right down. No. Write once again. All of you. Write down volume of sphere. Write down. This it's very difficult, sir, to write. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube.
I'm writing on the same page which I read.
Where? Which is that one?
When you started the chapter.
Sphere is equal to.
Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Written? Next, volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equal to
2 pi r.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by
2 upon 3 pi r cube. Two by 3 pi r cube. Did you write?
Yes.
Next, return volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next, volume of hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi. Don't look from there. I will ask you to write once. If you write, you will learn. No, I will instead of looking there. 4 by 3 pi in bracket. What will you get? R cube minus R cube. Capital R cube minus small r cube. Written?
Yes.
Do you know what is capital R minus small r?
Inner circle.
7.
Radius of inner circle.
What is capital R minus small r? Right. Thickness or width is equal to thickness or width is equal to capital R minus small r. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of hollow sphere?
Yes.
What is the meaning of hollow sphere?
Sphere means is hollow.
What is the meaning? Tell what does it mean?
It doesn't have volume.
It doesn't have volume. It has volume.
Sphere in sphere.
Sphere and square.
Sphere in sphere.
Means what? Little more. Inside of the sphere it is empty.
Hollow.
Hollow means empty.
हाँ sir.
Football.
volume
Football.
नहीं होता.
Volume नहीं होता. Volume.
Capacity
But then,
होती है उसकी.
Capacity only make you.
look here. Volume means this one 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube is called what? That material what is used. If there is this one, a sphere, spherical hollow sphere made up of rubber. What is the volume of the rubber is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Understood or not? Okay. If it is coming, capacity means inside what is the volume. Okay. Then sphere means it is spherical one solid. Inside if you cut that same metal is there. Same thing is there. Hollow sphere if you cut open means empty, inside it is empty.
अंदर का कैसे पता चलेगा radius क्या है?
Radius they will give you now. You think that without any radius they will make? They all think football and all, they have no the radius making. Okay, it's not that simply making inside, it is also there inside. They will give you this is the radius or thickness will give. With the thickness you can, if the outer radius is given, means subtract, then it is coming to no more. Okay, understood. 5 minutes break is required.
Yes.
Break is not required.
Sir, you give us 5 minutes.
I will 5 minutes early. I will leave, but you will not give break. Whatever you decide. Quick. Break is required or not required? Okay, then go for the break.
What?
Is yours, no? Okay.
अरे क्या कर रहा हो?
मुझे 2 मिनट ज़्यादा होते हैं। मेरे पास डेटा है कभी भी 2 मिनट। तो क्या? 30 सेकंड मेरा फोन काम नहीं आ
मैं देख इधर जो ऑन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे मम्मी ने उसको ऐड कर दिया है तो लिंक होता है वो कैमरा और वो ऑडियो सब सुनाई देता है कुछ तो मैंने वो ऐप इंस्टॉल कर लिया फोन में
अनइंस्टॉल किया तूने?
हाँ।
तो डर लगा अनइंस्टॉल करने के लिए मैसेज आता होगा।
मैं कुछ तो फेसबुक पे देखा मम्मी ने रील में देखा वो ऐप कुछ तो फ्लैश गेट किड्स कुछ तो करके
नहीं मैं 5 मिनट में बोल रहा मुझे दिखा था कि मैं अनइंस्टॉल कर सकती हूँ और मैं करती नहीं थी तब नहीं कर हाँ
आज ही किया मैंने ट्यूशन खाने से पहले मम्मी ने इंस्टॉल किया
हाँ थे जरा मुझे 2 मिनट
रुको ऑन कर वो चाहिए हॉटस्पॉट
हाँ 2 मिनट प्लीज
दो
हाँ दे
अरे क्रॉस सेटिंग्स में होता है वो दिख नहीं रहा मुझे भी नहीं
इधर ऊपर जाके यहाँ पे आने का